in the main of the heat, I'm going to try and stay indoors and stay kind of cool. And let the fun begin. Again, pop these babies out. This side out. I'm going to do a little bit on this so I can get it close. Now once I get it close, we're planning a block sanding party. I'm gonna have my friend Dave, and I'm gonna have my friends from Fire and Gasoline come down, and we're just gonna do a block sand party. So, a little here, a little there. Stay tuned, stick around. Okay. Cut off wheel. Okay. Well guys, I'm put behind because bottle's empty. My extra bottle's empty. And I have 3 cars to weld on. And it's Sunday. So, worst case scenario, I can just do other things just to keep me occupied. Probably gonna get the seal spot welded in. So I have to grind all this off, clear all this off. That way I can get the seal placed. That way I can get the seal placed and lined up there. Go from there. I got this spot welded in, but obviously I want to do it with a MIG welder to make it perfect. But step in the right direction. Now, I'm going to go ahead and get working on cleaning up for the spot welds on the seal. guilty thinking, there you go.
I know Bondo makes a brand of this, but this is a farrier file. That's what they usually use for horses' hooves. This works amazing for roughing your Bondo. Just in case you were wondering, you can get these at Tractor Supply.
Every day is progress. At least that's what I keep telling myself. This is gonna be on our to-do list. I got that panel welded in. Started bondoing it, but I didn't really feel like body working in here. This is all spot welded in. You can see the spot welds right there. So that's good and solid.
What happened to the tire?
And then I'm going to, I have this door ready for block sand. So, looks a heck of a lot better than it did. A couple little spots, but this block sands out. This is ready to be blocked down and started to look like a car again. So there's door 1 done with, let's see, off of the car. I need to do the other door, trunk, or the hood and the trunk, or the boot and bonnet, I think they call them in England. But we're gonna have to work on the wing panels on the car. This door's gonna have to be done off the car. It's got dings and dents and whatnot also. The big problem I ran into with the door I just did was this right here. See that line? Apparently they bumped something and it tore all through here and it went like into the door about that far. So definitely have to had to do a lot of work, and I got roll of dry sand to block it out. So I'm gonna get this door mounted on the car real quick, and I'll be right back. Okay.
And we're done.
Couple of screws in it just to hold it in place.
What about this? Doesn't it scratch? It's scratching the paint.
It's fine. Relax.
Okay.
This actually has to move forward. It's too far back.
Okay.
So, check that out. But yeah, that dent came through here and it went all the way to about here. So all this had to be fixed. And there was a lot of just like dingers. There was a couple dingers here. There was one here, a bunch up here. Progress is being made. So there you go, guys. We got that door body worked. That fender needs something bad. We got back here done. Well, started. And we have this fender and primer. And bodywork is starting here. So obviously I got a lot of work to do. I look like a crazy person, like, you know, Einstein or something. Obviously I got a lot to do yet, but bodywork has started. I think I'm gonna do all the aluminums first. So that would be other door, the hood and the trunk. I'm gonna try and get those bodyworked first because they're aluminum and I have an idea of how to work with aluminum, but it's different than steel. So I have to be very careful to make sure I do it right. So I'm gonna try and do all the bodywork, get it in primer, and let it sit. Hi, Haley.
Hello.
And I'm gonna let it sit and make sure that the primer doesn't peel or, you know, anything like that. Make sure everything's gonna work perfectly on the aluminum. The steel, well, that's easy. You've seen that that's easy for me. I can lay that out in no time flat. But all this aluminum, this is new territory for me. So hopefully you guys are enjoying the progress. Hopefully you're enjoying the videos. Like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. And as always, we'll see you on the flip side.
Have you guys seen my difference yet?
No, they have not. You has braces now.
And you expanded.
Yeah, braces and expand. Yeah. Pretty wild, huh? Yeah. You ready to take your bunny home?
No.
You ready to take your bunny home?
Sup, my peeps?
Sup, the Miss Aliens. Sorry.
Dude,
Change
you
it.
really need to get. You're over your 100th video. You need to get a name, a code name.
A code.
That's
The
all
Auto
code name.
Aliens.
I'm not over my 100th video yet.
There you are. Or is that your subscribers?
I'm over 100 subs. But I don't have 100 videos yet.
Well, you're close to it, I think.
Peace out.